oneness, unanimous. And the idea behind Ekyam when we coined it was that our partners and we are nothing but we belong to one family. So that is the origin of Ekyam. And
So, what it means to me is it's an opportunity to connect with our partners who are, in a classical sense of words, who are representing us in every forum. They are there with us to make our customers successful, to make our communities safe, and and it just gives us a chance to hear them as to what they feel about it, what they feel about ideaForge. It's also a check on us that are we doing things the way we intend, or at least our messaging is not getting corrupted in the channel, which can be very noisy at times. So it just gives us an opportunity, personally for me, to connect with all of these extended stakeholders from ideaForge.
So for me, Ekyam is all about celebrating togetherness, celebrating success with partners. So that's what Ekyam is all about for me. I mean, once in a year we get an opportunity to meet and celebrate togetherness, plan for coming year, set each other's expectation right, align ourselves to a common goal. That's what it's all about.
So, Ekyam to me means oneness, it means unity, it means harmony. It's essentially how we interact with our partner ecosystem, right? Although they may be our partners, but essentially they're just an extended arm of the ideaForge family. So the idea behind branding our partners meet as Ekyam is really just to show that commitment to our partners. So in that, they're again just an extension of us. So that's really what Ekyam means to me.
So Ekyam means bringing everyone together and getting our partners together once in a year, where we have everyone and a lot of interaction, a lot of talks around the new products, new ideas, and we get to brainstorm all of that with our partners, get feedback, and that's really what Ekyam is all about, getting everybody together in one place and having a lot of interactions, and they lead to a lot of new discussions and new opportunities as well.
one of the main things is that we want to help empower our partners to speak the same languages. So we've introduced something called Ekyam EduConnect. So where we empower partners by not just showing them drone flights, but also showing them how to pitch. We make this interactive because we can actually get feedback from them and try to implement it in our system, in our products, and see how we can sell better, help their customers better, our customers better.
So, obviously, every event, every such large event is also an opportunity to learn. So we've learned. I think there were some missteps. If I were to look at it, even in this one, we will be better next year. We will probably incorporate more content, which is more relevant. I also wanted to get, so today in this part of Ekyam 2024, we tried for the first time getting some of our strategic partners also given their point of view. We'll probably see that more, especially from our very strategic partners who are, who we collaborate with to come out solutions with. So I think this was a departure from the last two versions of it. I think that it turned out well. We'll probably double down on that aspect in our coming fixtures.
So it was good to see so many people coming up this year. I personally didn't expect so much of enthusiasm. I'm so happy to see the size of the family increasing year after year. And the good thing is that we had variety of sessions this time. We had sponsors also, and every session was unique. Every session spoke of something different than the previous session, and everybody was glued with the screen. So it looked like we are on a mission together and moving towards a common goal. That's what I liked.
I think my favorite part was just seeing familiar faces, right? That just shows that even our partners are not just in this for quick wins. They're there with us for the long run, and we're in it for the long run. And for any drone company in general to be in the market for as long as we have, I think we'll have many more after this as well. So for me, it's still very early on, although it was the third, but I hope to see many myself.
Yeah, actually, this was easily the best Ekyam that we have had over the last few years, and the reason for that is because a lot of things that we have shown today and the upcoming products that we have shown, it's really what the partners and customers have been asking for, right? So it's great to see that finally we are delivering on whatever the customers and partners were asking for, and it's great to see the smile on their faces and the fact that they are now more confident that they can get into more opportunities and close more deals.
It was really wonderful to be here in third edition of Ekyam. I look forward to this Ekyam as an opportunity to introduce flight as a concept and invite partners who are interested to adopt the franchise model. So today I'm very happy to introduce franchise model for our partners, which makes gives a partner who are entrepreneurial to take drone as a service forward and earn at the same time a good profit from the business model that we have proposed today.
So this is the first time that we had external, non-ideaForge folks in our strategic partners to also come and invest in its property and look at the makings of this model. So what we intend to do is we want to have a more well curated session which also adds value in this Ekyam as a company. The second thing is probably also have some live interactions, like flights, make it a full day, make it more eventful in terms of impact. We probably get a few customers to speak about our impact stories. So broadly speaking, creating more impact.
So, like I said, we will look at if there have been any misses this year. We'll kind of try and improve on those. That's one, definitely. B, we will look at more participation from our partners. C, we will probably also look at some of us, like I said, strategic partners coming in and giving their point of view. I'd probably encourage, out of the box thinking, I would want some of our customers to come and address our partner community. That will kind of invigorate them. That will really charging up the atmosphere. We'll try some of that stuff in our next over here.
Our partners can expect more solutions next year. The products that we spoke about this time, they would have been launched in the market, customers using them, new success stories. Okay, and personally, I would like to see new faces for awards. So every year, even I'm bored of seeing the same faces being repeated over and over again. So newer and newer partners should come on the stage and claim an award. That's what I'm looking forward to.
So I'm hoping in Ekyam 2025, we talk about some big wins that we've had for some of the products we launched this year, specifically Flight Cloud and Netra 5. I think both of these products are frankly going to be game changers, not just for us, but the industry as a whole. I fully expect both Flight Cloud and Netra 5 to really set new industry benchmarks, just as our previous products did. Netra V4 Pro came in and really broke that 90-minute barrier for drones. I think Netra 5 is going to come in and break even more barriers than we ever thought was possible in one platform.
ideaForge being a technology company, people expect that every year we launch newer, better, more cutting edge stuff. All I can say right now is we have a lot of that in the works, on the technology side, on the business model side, on the data side as well. And I'm sure that next year will be a more amazing Ekyam with more exciting launches, and we'll take it up a notch, at least from the product point of view, I can assure you.
See, while today we have announced franchisee model, I look forward to onboard as many partners. My goal is to have at least minimum 100 partners in next, 100 franchisees signed in the next 1 year. And while today we are working with police as a primary segment, I look forward to onboard more enterprise customers going forward into the franchisee models.